Hello boys, how are you? Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Today we start our topic. Today our topic Boyle's law and kinetic theory of gas. Okay, open your book page number 127 and we start here. This is Boyle's law. Boyle's law, this is the relationship between pressure and the volume. When we increase the pressure at the same time decrease the volume, and if we decrease the volume, pressure increase. One quantity increase at the same time another quantity decrease, and if we decrease one quantity at the same time other quantity increase. So the relationship between the pressure and the volume, that is inversely proportional. They are very inversely proportional to each other, and this is the formula. Pressure, initially pressure, and then initial volume, that's equal to the final pressure and final volume. This is, we calculate the quantity here, 4 quantity total. He will give us 3 and 1 we will calculate. Now these are the graphs. These graphs show something. Here this graph shows the two quantity increase, and this graph shows temperature constant and pressure increase, and this graph shows pressure constant and temperature increase, and this graph shows two quantity inversely proportional, one increase at the same time other decrease. These are 4 kinds of graph that shows us, and in this picture you can see here volume is 0.5 and pressure is 2. When we double this volume from 0.5 to become 1, at the same time the pressure become half. Pressure here, what is pressure? 2 Pascal, and here pressure become 1 Pascal. And again here we increase the volume from 1, we increase the volume, it become 2. At the same time pressure become half, that is 0.5. Okay, you can see here when we increase the volume pressure decrease. This is a relationship between volume and pressure. And here when we increase the volume of gas, then pressure decrease because the collision of the particle decrease. When we decrease the volume of the gas, then pressure increase, then the collision of the particle increase. Here when we increase the volume mean we give more space, and when the space is more, then the collision of particle between each other become less, and when it become less then pressure decrease. And here when we volume decrease, the space between of the gas is less, then the collision between the particle increase, and that collision refer to the pressure. So the pressure increase, because collision increase, then pressure also increase. And here temperature and the pressure, they are directly proportional to each other. When the pressure increase, temperature increase. When the temperature decrease, pressure also decrease. And here this is numerical that we solve. A cylinder contains 50 centimeter cube of air at a pressure of 120 kilopascal. What will its volume be if the pressure on it is increased to 400 kilopascal? We increase the pressure from 120 to 400 kilopascal. Now we check how much the volume decrease from 50 to, now we calculate. V1 is 50 and P1 is 120, V2 we find, and P2 400. Okay, now here this is formula, then we put in formula, then we calculate V2 is 15 centimeter cube. Okay, this is our answer, 15 centimeter cube. Okay boys, you understand this? This is our lesson today. If you have any question, next lecture you can ask. Okay, bye bye, assalamu alaikum.